You know what I'm saying? You wanna catch this dub, we'll carry my boy Ghost, you know, locked in.
Bro, we're locking in hard, bro. We're locking in hard.
Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir. Oh, we wanna give it. Why I gotta stutter at every video? Why? Why? Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, we wanna go get that heavy shotgun, you know what I'm saying? You wanna catch this dub, we'll carry my boy Ghost, you know, locked in.
Bro, we're locking in.
Oh, listen though. Call me Ghost subscribers, fans. Go ahead, subscribe to him. My channel. I don't know.
Yeah, go ahead and subscribe to Memoriecloud. I'll give a link to his channel in the description. You can subscribe to him, but also make sure to, if you want to, you don't have to, but subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and hit a like or comment if you want to until you. So,
I'm kind of
basically. Oh man. Obviously, you guys can tell I chose the Skull Trooper because it's the most fitting skin in my entire freaking market. Call me Ghost. I mean, heck.
I mean, what are some calculations? I ain't using man, figured it, bro.
What is that skin?
Yeah, this is better. That's the Evil Dead skin. Get that thing out of here. Come on now. We landed.
All right, broys. We're dropping. All right, JD's and Lendelman. I have not figured out how to muffle that editing, so literally you're just gonna be hearing. I'm sorry for your guys' ears. I'm so sorry. Bro, there's literally nothing inside these walls. There's nothing inside these buildings.
Yeah, bro. Shoot.
This is not going to be my main drop, okay? I just chose it because it seems the most ideal for.
Bro, it's not. It's not ideal.
Well, not entirely, but I like to avoid enemies. But clearly, you guys saw my last video. I do not unavoid enemies.
It's crazy, bro. Look at
Come on.
Hey, it's me, Goku.
Or sticky grenade.
1 second, watch this.
I'm about to end this man's whole career.
Stop lagging.
Bam. Oh, bye.
Damn, boy, he just got for. Oh. Hold on. Wait, watch this. Hold on. Come on.
What these players at? What these players at? Kill him.
Fuck!
You're trash, kid.
Oh my god.
But what are you doing? He's right there. Just get this going up. Get this going up. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Nice.
I don't get copyrighted. Fine, I'll grab this grenade launcher. Wait, you didn't grab this?
Grab what, Mark?
Hold on.
A few moments later.
I got 1 minute in my inventory, bro. That's the crazy part.
Did I ask? Okay. Oh shit.
Oh my gosh.
Did not mean to do that.
Edit cloud scissors is out. Oh wait, I'm not recording.
Bro, you're not recording this whole. Like, hold on, I'm not recording.
Say it again.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
Guess who?
Bruh.
Bro, what?
Come on. Let's get up here, bro. Bro, if we win the match we're on, dude, I'll be actually surprised.
We win this match?
If we win this match. Dude,
Oh, my bad. Oh, that's my bad. He's running. Look on the other side. Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous.
I'm not nervous. I never get nervous. I'm getting nervous.
This. Oh, hold on. Is this really it's really pro players in this game? You hear? You hear? Great.
For it.
What am I doing? I'm so trash.
Get out of here, bro.
I got a lag. I'm so trash. Please, Res.
Hold on.
I'm so trash.
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
The Oculus Quest 1 today, but literally, dude, it is such an old device, it just won't work.
Man. No, absolutely.
Knock one.
Told you. You're welcome. Sorry. What is it?
Let's go!
Get in, bro.
I'm him. I'm literally him.
I'm not here, bro.
Dude, this heavy shotgun, if you know what you're doing, it claps cheeks. Oh, wait, hold on.
That was better.
What the?
No, don't do it.
Build up, build up, build up.
Lagging? Hold on. Let me heal this.
Bro. Use EMP and boost yourself up to high ground.
What am I doing? Yeah. Like this. Where?
Let's go! Yeah, grab it. Yeah, we're buddies, bro.
I'm not him.
Girl, I remember when Tilted Towers first came out, dude. I wasn't playing the game, but I remember when it came out.
Yeah, I stopped playing 60 today. I stopped playing 18, bro.
Tilted became like the W map for most people. Like it became or the location.
They actually got to play the game. Yeah, they got it. I did it.
Grab this.
Freaking AR. Yeah, I'm trying to do the game. Ah, man. I ain't playing the game anymore.
Gotcha, bitch.
Knock one.
Oh my gosh. You got a freaking yeah. I'm so embarrassed of myself. I'm gonna jump right there. Oh my.